We're going to go over putting doors and windows into the floor plan layer. As you know, I made these room blocks and arranged them so that they have 4.5 inches between each one, which is about the width of or thickness of an interior wall, an interior partition. And then after doing that, I drew in this floor plan layer to create all of my interior partitions as a single unit, and then also the exterior walls as well. Now, having done that, I'm going to hide the room blocks here so we can see the partition walls, and I can also unhide the floor plan picture that we had in order to show the locations of my doors and windows. I've made components in SketchUp to act as two-dimensional doors and windows to use inside here, and I've uploaded those to the 3D warehouse, and so that you can go and get models, and you can look for 2D floor plan as a collection. 2D floor plan symbols. So I've created a collection of these, and here we have doors, we have showers, electrical symbols, and somewhere in here there are also windows. I have modified these so that they are capable of cutting into a face that that they've been placed onto. And so, let's see what kind of door I can use. I'm going to download an interior door. Let's see. It's 2.5 feet wide, 6'8" tall, left. So I'll download this into my model here directly. And so there it is. And I need to find something that will match this this profile here. So I'm going to place that in there. This is actually not going to work. I've placed it, and so now it's actually part of my components library. Here it is for this model. And I'll show you how to properly place this into my floor plan layer. So first let's get rid of that one that's distracting. So this is my interior wall group. This is already a grouped object. I'm going to tell it to edit group, and that allows me to have access to the edges and faces of this group. So I have access to this. I'm going to drop this in here. There we go. And as you can see, it's cut itself a hole very conveniently. And it's also designed to place itself 3/4 of an inch outside of the walls on these sides. That gives me the thickness of the door frame that is part of the three-dimensional model from which this is derived. Let's see if we have another one. Here's another one here. So we'll drop another component in like that. I'm going to put it there. It looks like I'll have to rotate it. Snap it into my model. There. Try that again. Edit group. left reverse, drop it in, rotate, orient it, we'll place it. I want to move it in the green direction, and I want it to line up with that one. Okay, so now we have those two doors. In any case, as you can see, these doors, when they come in, they do erase a section of the face here. They do, however, leave the borders of this wall, and that's why you have these two extra lines. I'd like to get rid of those, and you can actually go here and tell it to select the bounding edges, and then deselect the face, and then hide the edges, and then they show up like that. There and there. Let's remove the picture layer. There, and so that's how it looks. And like that.